It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I'll spend my lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're here, the time is near at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I'll spend my lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're here, the time is near at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. It's now or never. My love won't wait. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, it said all alone like me. Did your lady friend, did your nest again? That is very sick, makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away. You're more lucky than me. I also have a pretty girl. She's not with me today. They all the same, the pretty girls. They tend the nest, then they fly away. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, it said all alone like me. Let it fly away, the sky away. Pick from town and soon, pick from night to moon. They can yellow you like banana too. It might pick you someday. They say I were that yellow bird, I'll fly away with you. But I'm not that yellow bird. So here I sit, nothing else can do.
This cherry pink and apple blossom white. When your beloved comes away, it's cherry pink and apple blossom white. Don't worry, say. The story goes that once a cherry pink beside an apple tree it grows, and there are boys not as right to dream long, long ago. The boy that comes from the right
and I promise you this, I send you all my love every day in a letter, sealed with a kiss. Yes, it's gonna be a cold, lonely summer, and I feel the emptiness. I send you all my dreams every day in a letter, sealed with a kiss. I see you in the sunlight, I hear your voice everywhere. I run to tenderly hold you,